I'm not telling you to just stop wearing this stuff, but if you've been feeling kind of stuck with your style lately, like it's almost a little too bland, a little too boring, it's probably because you're wearing some of these trends. Today, I'm gonna show you what these outdated trends are and what you can replace them with. Let's go. Number one, high waters. Any pant that's tailored above the ankle. See, right now, the trend is that quarter to full break, both of which have always been a classic. The only difference is that for the past decade, the trend that was more prevalent is having them cut right at the ankle where you show some of that skin. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's kind of out. Right now, that quarter break or full break is in, especially when it comes to casual pants like your chinos and your jeans. When it comes to your tailored wear, I still like to have that no break look. So you're not exposing your ankle. You have that clean line just because it's a little more formal. But if you want to switch up some of your denim and chino game, go for that quarter or full break. I promise you, you're gonna look on point. 2, extreme tapering. This again was a trend that's been prevalent for the last 10, maybe even 15 years, and it's kind of playing out. It no longer looks good to have your jeans or your chinos or your trousers extremely tapered at the ankle, to the point that some dudes, I've even suggested doing a pinroll method. That's just how in trend it was at the time. Now, go for a loose cut. You want something that's more natural. Personally, I've been wearing classic cuts, so it's not oversized. It's just a nice straight cut. I like it because it feels more comfortable. You don't have to be spending money at the tailors to get them extremely tailored. And now, again, you have a timeless fit. This has been in style for decades that looks good and is on trend right now, and it's a great way to switch it up. Number 3, having to match your belts to your shoes specifically. Like, bro, it's not 2001. Stop taking fashion advice from pops. Like, you do not have to match your belt to your shoes exactly. The cool thing with belts is that you just need to find something that's in the ballpark, meaning that if you're wearing brown shoes, wear a brown belt, right? If you wear black shoes, wear a black belt. And when you're wearing casual stuff like casual sneakers, you don't have to be so strict about it. See, for me, when it comes to belts, our sponsor Anson Belts is the one stop that I always go to. I've been using Anson Belts for 4 years, mainly because of its interchangeability. See, with Anson Belts, you can buy their gift set. It comes with 3 belts and 2 straps, or 3 straps and 2 belt buckles, and the cool thing is it gives you a total of 6 different combinations. All I got is Anson belts. Once you move over to Anson, which uses a track system, you'll never go back. See, regular belts use holes that jump every 1.5 inches. With Anson, it has a built-in track system behind the belt that makes 1/4 inch adjustments. This not only makes it more comfortable to wear, where you can adjust throughout the day as your body fluctuates, but it's also easier. The way you put on and take off this belt is a breeze compared to your traditional belts. And ever since that, like I said, I've never gone back. If you guys want to check out belts that I promise you will last a lifetime, I want you to check out Anson Belts. And yo, you got Christmas around the corner. This is the perfect gift set. I'm telling you. This is like that one thing that when I got it, like, yo, I'm hyped about. So if you want to give something to your dad, to your brother, to your friend, to your, something good, like that you know that they're going to be proud of, that you're going to change their life, yo, you got to pick up that gift set. That is probably the best gift set you're going to find.
And for a limited time, go to ansonbelt.com/TMF and get an extra strap or buckle, giving you 9 possible combinations for under $100.
Number 4, switch up the simple sneakers. Now, before I go into this and I get crucified, I want to make a clarification. I still love simple white sneakers. But as a suggestion, these have been played out. These have been worn for over a decade now. And yes, they're basic, they're a classic. But if you want to switch your style up, I want you to add more texture, more color to your footwear. For example, chunky dad sneakers, they're still in, they're still strong. And for me, it's an easy and fast way to really freshen up your fit. Add a pop of color down there, and again, you're standing out as opposed to just wearing the simple white stuff. Number 5, V-neck anything. I'm talking V-neck sweaters, V-neck t-shirts. They're out. Look, they were great at one point, and I'm not telling you to get rid of them. Some dudes look good in them, but a classic crew cut, it's timeless. It's been in for like decades at this point. It just follows your natural neckline, so it looks a little more natural, a little more comfortable. This crew neck design applies to both sweaters and t-shirts. In my opinion, going for a crew neck, it just looks better. And finally, number 6, the no sock look. In my opinion, I rocked that trend as well. It was uncomfortable. Your feet got sweaty. It just wasn't right. And in almost every situation, socks actually look better. With shorts, you look more athletic. With jeans, you feel that awkward naked gap in your ankle. And with trousers, the socks just make you look like a baller, more professional, not so childish. So yes, try rocking socks as opposed to the no sock look. Might change your style up a bit. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Ants and Belts. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.